That's what it looks like. There they are, the Buckenmeyers. Oh.
That's not spicy.
Indian standards is, yeah.
What is it more spicy, the Indian food than the Mexican? Really, really.
Oh, yeah.
There's different gradations of spiciness. You know, there's some Indians who can have really spicy food.
My mom would put crushed red pepper across the entire top. Then she would cut green chilies and put that on top.
I mean, you can imagine.
Now, when Miguel would come to our house in high school, my mom would give him Indian food, and he got used to eating, like a lot of our white friends got used to eating Indian, and then she would, because in India you don't have water, you don't have a drink at the table with your meal. The water's always saved for last.
Videos like that.
Yeah.
So we didn't, in the early videos we tried that.
I mean, the Getting Closer video was like classic.
Yeah!
Oh, my sweetie's into it now.
Yeah, the only thing there,
right now, the area we've covered today and yesterday, that will be this.
There. It's so small. I feel like it's
Alright, so my dance friends and I, we have this summer dance challenge that we started last year and we're doing it now every year. And this is mine for New York. Okay. You've seen the names of the stores?
It's like chic.
It's like super chic. We super don't belong here.
Chic. Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do, baby.
We don't belong here. This is the type of place where Mikael will definitely film a couple of vlogs.
I don't know what this place is, but it's really cool.
It's kind of a very chic Mercado San Miguel.
Yeah.
But New York is really amazing in the sense that on the one hand you have these super tall buildings and a lot of people. It's very crowded, especially now, maybe with tourists also. But so you have all that, and then right next to each other you have this very peaceful area. Bearing the helicopter. But it's very peaceful. and you know, with all the water, this is the Hudson River. So it's a contrast. It's interesting. A city of contrasts.
This is Tribeca. Ain't that right?
Yes. Triangle below Canal Street.
Crunch Fitness. This was the gym I went to in Miami many years ago. They're in New York, I guess.
You know, Chinatown in the movies, it's always where the detectives go to try and get some information that nobody else could get. So, like going to this, careful, little shops with spices and everything, and they try to speak Chinese and find somebody who can speak Chinese to get some information from this very old, very traditional Chinese lady, and they find like some statues or whatever with information, with clues. So that's where we're going.